That snack you grabbed while stressed at work? It has a secret observer, your tween is watching you, and your coping mechanism is accidentally becoming her normal. Studies show that when kids see a parent eat because of stress, they copy it. This is common. Nearly 60% of work-from-home employees gained weight. It's not just copying. Using food as a reward teaches the same lesson. Your actions are teaching them how to handle their own future stress. Next time you reach for that snack, ask, what habit is this teaching?